And welcome to Do I Need a Lawyer? I'm Gary Martin Hayes. Thank you for joining us. And look, if you have a question, pick up the phone. 770-934-8000. You can email me, Gary@GaryMartinHayes.com. We get a lot of questions about the #1 best-selling book, The Authority on Personal Injury Claims in Georgia. You can pick this up on Amazon.com. All of our clients get a copy of the book free of charge. So let's go to a question now from one of our viewers. Hi, Gary. I have a question for you. I was rear-ended by a man that was driving a company truck. He admitted he was at fault and he received the ticket. When he hit me, my right hand was jammed into the steering wheel. I had x-rays at the emergency room and the doctors told me it was fractured. The doctor there told me it would probably require surgery to fix it. I don't have health insurance. What can I do? Do I need a lawyer? And that comes to us from Kirk in Stone Mountain. Kirk, thank you for the question. Man, I'm sorry to hear about your wreck and your injuries. And let me tell you right now, yes, you need a lawyer, and I'd be more than happy to speak with you about your claim. And let me answer your question by talking about some of the tricks the insurance company and the adjusters will try to use to keep from paying you the fair value of your claim. And they do this especially if you don't have a lawyer. And you have to be aware of these tactics because if they're successful, it could cost you a lot of money. Here's #1. The adjuster refuses to confirm that their insured was at fault. And this is one of the worst things that they can do, especially when it's clear and without question that their insured was the one that caused the wreck. Some companies will delay giving you authorization to get your car repaired or give you a rental car because they claim they're still investigating the wreck. This tactic, it often results in people not being able to get the medical treatment they need because they don't have transportation to get to the doctor's office. The insurance company is using this tactic to try to discourage you from making a legitimate claim. Plain and simple. They want to make the hassle so great that most people will just give up. So don't do it. Don't fall for it. All right. #2, the adjuster asks for a recorded statement from you. Do not let anyone take a recorded statement from you, especially if your attorney is not present or on the phone line with you. If you give incomplete answers or accidentally give an incorrect answer or estimate, it could cost you lots of money. Or even worse, it could cost you your entire claim. And also know that the adjuster is trained to ask questions in certain ways to make your claim seem unreasonable or somehow put a portion of the blame on you for causing the wreck. So always consult with a lawyer before giving a recorded statement. Remember, this recording that they take, it can be used as evidence against you in court. #3. The adjuster asks you to sign a medical release. Most insurance companies want you to sign a medical release that will give them blanket authorization to them to be able to secure your medical records. And they will use these medical records not just to get, or they use the release rather, not just to get the records from your doctors that treat you for the wreck, but from any doctors that you have ever seen in your past. Why? Well, assume you hurt your back in the wreck. They will get all of your medical records to look for that one time you went to the doctor 10 years before the wreck because you pulled a muscle in your back. The adjuster will then claim that your injuries that you had in this wreck pre-existed your wreck. And they'll either completely deny your back injury or they'll drastically reduce their offer. All right, #4, the adjuster offers you a quick check. To me, this is one of the worst things that insurance companies and insurance adjusters do. They offer you a quick check to settle before you have a chance to go to the doctor to actually find out what is wrong with you. You assume you're just a little sore and you'll get better, and that's what they tell you. So you take that settlement offer. But please understand this. Once your case is settled, it's over with, it's done, it's closed, and there's nothing that can be done to reopen the claim. Sadly, I see what happens to people that fall for this trick every day. They'll take the quick settlement offer, they settle their case, they close it out, but soon they find out that the pain and the soreness they thought would go away doesn't go away. So they have to go to the doctor to get medical treatment. They call the adjuster back to ask for more money to pay for these additional medical bills, and the adjuster tells them, "I'm sorry, but your case is settled." They call me and ask me what we can do at that point to help them. Unfortunately, there is nothing that can be done because the claim is settled. So how do you prevent this from happening? Real simple. Don't take the insurance company's quick offer. Don't fall for this. $500 may seem like a lot of money right after the wreck, but it is nothing when your future medical bills can be thousands of dollars. And #5, the insurance adjuster tells you you don't need a lawyer. Think about that one for a minute. The insurance company has attorneys on staff that they routinely consult about your claim, and yet they tell you you don't need a lawyer? Why do you think they're telling you this? Maybe, well, just maybe, it's because the adjuster doesn't want you to know the true value of your case. The insurance company doesn't want you to know about your rights nor their responsibilities. And the more the adjuster can keep you in the dark about your claim, the less they will have to pay to you. Don't fall for this trick. I've talked about it many times. Just by consulting an attorney, you're going to get 40% more money. If you hire an attorney, 3.5 times more money. So folks, please, I beg of you, if you're involved in a car wreck claim, do not try and take on the insurance company and their lawyers by yourself. Pick up the phone and give us a call. 770-934-8000. It's free, completely confidential. There is no obligation. We'll be back.